Alright, so it looks like we found a unit hiding behind here. This time I turned on the flash. I already did a video, but... Okay. Compressor sound blanket. It's a day and night, as you guys can see. I already know the date and stuff on it, but I'll show you guys. It's from 1994, and it's a 4-ton, as you can see. So it's just hiding in these little places here, in these little driveways, it looks to be. I'm not going to show my dad's license plate. And there's another unit hiding behind here. It's a Carrier Tech 2000, it looks like. These little places are kind of weird. Carrier Tech 2000 looks like a newer one. Well, this one was actually running. Motors one, reciprocating compressor. 2005, 3-ton. Actually might be a 3.5 ton, but it's a very cool unit. This is actually running. And it was actually running. The fan motor is actually warm. So Tech 2000 right there. And I'll be darned, there's units over there, but I can't get to there. And there's actually garage doors right here too. Okay. My dad's a ball. And there's I think this is a Bryant. This is that Bryant that I saw. Yeah, Bryant. Bryant air conditioner right here. It's got one of those Carli compressors. From my understanding, I've seen a few heat pumps that have Carli compressors on YouTube before. And it turns out they have scroll mechanisms in them, because they sound just like scrolls. Scroll compressors. Creepy. 2003. 4-ton. Alright. So, if my dad doesn't honk at me again, we will go to the other area. See, there's a unit down there. There's 2 units down there. Old Lennox and a Carrier Comfort series. So those are those 2. Down there. Unfortunately, couldn't even get to them even if I tried, because they're already fenced in. That'd be epic if we could catch the startup of that Tech 2000 right there. So let's try at that building. Carrier again. There's the 4-ton day and night again. So I think these places are the last places that have units. Just gonna check back here. It's summer, so I'm hunting these things down. See if I can catch anything running. It looks like this place is opened. Not gonna mess around there. Is my camera out of focus again? I swear to God. Yep, more units back. Oh my gosh. Well, this is a weird one. Another day and night. Oh, it's one of these. Looks like a vintage box fan, to be honest. These ones are weird. There's the condenser around there, and the fan in the front right there, kind of like a ductless unit. And there's 2 more over there. Copeland reciprocating compressor. This is a gas pack. So I could find the data anywhere. That'd be sick if I could find the data. Right here. Okay. 1995? That can be from 1995. No way. Looks like a 4-ton. Nope, 2-ton. Someone can decode that for me. I can't tell if either it's from 1995 or 2005. I'm gonna guess 2005. because 1995 is a little old. Here's another Bryant. Looks like. Yep, Bryant. All these are straight cooled air conditioners, which is kind of unfortunate. But I know some heat pumps around here that in the winter of 2020 that I can get defrosting, hopefully. And here's an ICP, or a newer Bryant. Looks like a 5-ton with that big scroll compressor. Might be 3-ton. We'll see what year this is from in a minute. 2000. And it's a 4-ton. 42,000 BTUs. And this one's from 2018. 4-ton as well. Yeah, 4-ton. So, if these were, say, 1-ton units, then that would not make sense because of their size. But, anyways, I thank you guys for watching this little air conditioner symphony. And if there's any more units, I will try and film those. And what the heck? I think I already checked here, actually. Did I? Oh yeah, I did. Okay. So, here, I'm gonna pause the video actually and just check there. But if not over there, then I thank you guys for watching this air conditioner symphony. So, like, comment, and subscribe.